Captain's log. Stardate 2245. The vastness of the universe continues to awe me. To be lost in its infinite expanse is a terrifying thought. We have been searching for the missing crew of the Tridentia for months now. They were supposed to find and mine potable water for our dying planet. It was a routine mission until their transmissions mysteriously stopped.
The distress beacon from the Tridentia has been detected.
Affirmative. Activate systems 5 and 7. Take positions for area code 3. R17, take our coordinates.
Yes, sir.
Captain, coordinates placed in Superior's orbit. The ship appears crashed on the surface. I'm reading lows of negative 67 degrees.
Roger. Ship, take us down.
Initiating phase 1 of entry.
R17, what is your status?
Captain, I have boarded the Tridentia. There are no survivors. I have retrieved the ship's log.
Patch the audio to the bridge.
Roger, roger.
All right, flip the last one.
Straight, yes. And a little step, sonny boy.
Hold on. I've got a 6-card straight.
No, you idiot. 5 is the maximum for straight, and my straight is higher.
That's bull. You're a cheat. You've always been a cheat. I've had it with your shit.
Everyone relax.
Put the gun away, Noah. You know I'm faster.
Yeah, is that what your wife said?
Under transmission.
Captain's log. Einstein once said, only 2 things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. To my great disappointment, the Tridentia fell, not due to technical malfunctions, but to the sheer incompetence of the crew on board. This is Captain O'Donnell, signing off.